Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD Forex setups for today. So, yeah, we were looking like we were bouncing fairly decently off this level, which we've tagged again at 106,202, and then Israel retaliated and fired missiles at Iran early this morning, and obviously that has just put the market into chaos at the moment. So this weekly level is still very, very much intact. So if you come to the week, look at this week so far, a little spinning bottom range bar off a very strong weekly and monthly level of support. So we've looked at it a couple of times. It goes all the way back to 1997, 1995. So the probability of us just flying through this is not very good. So if we drop down through the time frames, you can see this is basically what's happened today. Started last night and then dropped, and then the buyers have come back in trying to defend this 106,200 area. Nothing more we can see on the 3 hour, and if you look at this on the hour, you can see this was the after hours strike, but market's always forward thinking, so obviously a lot of people knew what was going to go on here and started buying the dollar, shorting the euro, and that's exactly what transpired. So back in an area of support, I would be very reluctant to trade this, to be honest. We could possibly, depending on what happens today, but we could reject this 106,490 area for another attempt to break through. But a breakthrough here is going to have to be on the higher time frames, and I have to see a pullback and rejection before I trust it. The level of support here is just way too strong. So in other words, I'm kind of sitting on the sides right now. I don't think you're going to get anything more. If anything, you'll probably come back and test the highs of yesterday at 106,907. So this above and below the moving averages here is not conducive for any setups, in my opinion anyway. You can see how we'd started moving, getting this trend of moving, then we got the crossover and rejections here before dropping below the structure and coming back to test it with a engulfing bar, and then another engulfing bar. Anyway, I'm very reluctant to be looking for anything right now, but it does look like you should be looking for shorts, to be honest. It's just that you're going to be, I won't say taken out, but you're going to be driven mad with either anticipation or fear. So it'll be fear or greed that's going to drive you, and this 106,200 is going to be your Achilles heel. So that is the area that they're going to be buying and selling off, and whatever trade you have in place, it's just going to be moving up and down, not really going anywhere until they pick a direction. Whether it's up or down, it's going to be hard to say right now. And it all depends how the markets react when they come online in a couple of hours. It could be a flash in a pan and they just continue on their merry way, or it could be a situation where fear hits the market and everything starts falling, which would mean the dollar would fall, the euro would fall, dollar would get stronger based on war. So I don't like profiting from war, so I will be sitting on the sides. I'm not really keen on trying to second guess what politicians are going to be doing today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.